let's do this.
That was good. That was a rush. Hope that was good. And let's regroup in the next video as we take care of the fallout and what needs to be done now that the first start has been completed.
Jess. Okay, maybe I did. I definitely did. I already have. But these engine swaps are not for the faint of heart. Blood, sweat, tears, and other colloquialisms must be put into these engine swaps. Finishing one is a real accomplishment. Ask anyone who hasn't underestimated one. I'd like to meet him someday. Friends of mine know that I'm not that funny. Unless I want it to be. And only then is the humor so dry that you think, is he serious or trying to be funny? And why am I his friend? I like building rather than driving. I like the technical challenge of the build rather than the result itself. I like going to art galleries occasionally, but not too often. Those are some mutually exclusive facts about me. Engine swaps allow you to learn new skills. You lose a 10mm socket, you learn what patience really is. You lose another 10mm socket, then you find that first socket you initially lost. It was wedged in between your steering rack and the subframe. That whole time. It takes a certain mindset to build the proper engine swap to vehicular with 353 horsepower and 395 Turks, which really isn't that much actually, compared to what else you can easily see on YouTube. Open that door. Get on in. Buckle up. Lower those windows. A little bit higher. That was a little too high. A bit lower. Perfect. Right in that corner. Start her up. Now drive.
I just can't get traction. I just can't get any traction. What is up, guys? Frank Macaluso here from Garageaholic. Another episode of the E30 N54 swap. Today we're going to be doing the oil cooler. Welding up the front subframe and beefing that up. Let's design a cooling system. Windshield wiper, reservoir, walnut blasting, all of the preventative maintenance on the N54, and tubings and hoses and things like that. The shifter shortening. Let's take apart this N54. This thing can be driven on the track, it can be driven around the street, it can even be a grocery getter. See? When you build a car like this, when you finish, you really gotta learn the car. The car needs to learn you. You guys have to be friends with each other. You guys gotta be tight. And there's gonna be bumps in the road, no pun intended. But for me, 3 miles, that's my number. That's how long it took for me to be friends with this car. And I gotta tell you, I think this car is my best friend. But no matter what you think, never underestimate the potential of this vehicle.